Hey ninjas! Today we are going to see how to deform any object in Blender. In my case, I'm going to add a simple plane here. And let's subdivide it multiple times. Like this. Once it's done, add an empty in the middle of that object. Now select that plane and go to Modifier tab. Then add a simple Deform modifier. Then click on Origin and select that empty. Now you can move this empty to get deformation in object. Also, you can play with modifiers' values to get your desired output. So this is how you guys can deform any object in Blender. Hope you liked the tutorial. See you in the next one.